Polynomial multiplication. After watching this video, I will be able to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. So remember, a binomial is basically a polynomial of two terms, where trinomial is three terms. So we want to multiply, so we're just going to distribute multiple times. So I'm going to distribute my 8p to everything individually. So 8 times 8 is 64. P times p squared is p to the third power. Then I'm going to do 8p times 8p, 64. P times p is p squared. Then I'm going to do 8p times 7, so I get 56p. And now I am going to multiply the -7 individually. So -7 times 8p is -56p squared. Then -7 times 8 is -56p. And then -7 times +7 is -49. And now I'm going to see if I can combine like terms. So I have this 64p to the third power. That's going to go first because we're going to write it in standard form. So that means the bigger exponent goes first. So second, p squared. I'm going to combine those. So 64 minus 56 is going to give me 8. So that's +8p squared. And then I'm going to do my p's. So 56 minus 56, well, that just gives me 0, so they go away. And then -49, nothing to combine. Now you try. Because I'm given the multiple choice answers, I know that if I just do the very first term, I can figure it out. So I'm going to multiply this 4 times this 7v. So 4 times 7 is 28, and that would have to give me v to the third power. So my answer has to be A. And then I'm just going to finish to show you that the answer would be A. So after I multiply, I kind of did it so I can combine like terms by aligning everything together. So 28v to the third power. And then 24 plus 56 is going to give me 80. And then -16 plus 48 is going to give me +32v. And then that minus 32.